back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some spring thrifting, just kind of browsing around looking for things that I could use for out in the garden, in the house, spring clothes, wardrobe finds. And so I'm really excited. The weather here has been absolutely amazing the past couple days, so we've just been enjoying what the weather has to bring. It's been almost 80 degrees, which is kind of crazy for the Midwest in March. It is kind of crazy, but it isn't at the same time. So we are taking full advantage of that. I just feel very inspired to go thrifting and antiquing and kind of just look and see what they have to offer today. I haven't been thrifting in a couple weeks, so I'm really excited to go. What I'm looking for when we thrift is some baskets, preferably ones that can hang on a door. There's a really cute DIY I've been seeing on Pinterest and TikTok and really all social media. Is like you take a basket and then you put fake flowers in it, and that is your wreath instead of having a traditional wreath. I really like that idea, so we're gonna see if we can find any at the thrift store before we buy new. And then just looking for some spring wardrobe pieces, any types of yellows, robin blue, pinks, any type of pastel colors is what we're looking for. It can range from like light knit sweaters and cardigans to things that we can wear spring and summer. So I'm really excited. I feel like it's really fun to make your Pinterest board and then kind of have an idea of what you are looking for, so that when you go into the thrift store you're not overwhelmed or you don't even know where to start. So if you haven't been thrifting and you want to try out thrifting, my first advice is to make a mood board of what you're looking for. And there's been times where when I do that, I just feel so more focused, and I actually do end up finding the things that I put on my list and make on my Pinterest board. So let's go thrifting. I'm so excited you guys are here today, and if you want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get to it. I am back from the thrift store, so we are going to do a little haul. We went thrifting, we went to Target, we went to Walmart, so I have a little bit of everything from there, and so I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I feel like I got some things that I definitely wanted. I'm excited to show you guys what I got. We're going to start with all of the thrifted items first, and I will tell you what I'm kind of using them for and how much I got each item for. So the first thing that I got was this little wall shelf. Honestly, I Pinterested something like this the other day. I will insert a picture or video of my inspo for this, but this was at the thrift store, and this is what it looks like up close. But this was $4, and I feel like that is a steal for a wall shelf, and I have plenty of places in my house that I can put this, whether that be my bedroom or the bathroom, and so I'm excited to decorate that and kind of show you guys how I style it. The next thrifted thing is this cute little basket. I feel like this is the basket that I'm going to put on my front door. It is a little small, but I think that it'll look cute. I got some of this stuff to put in it for the flowers, but my plan is to put the flowers in this, but this was $2, and so it's in pretty good shape. But because I'm using it for my spring DIY wreath, I feel like it's gonna be really cute, and just, it was perfect because it's kind of slimmer, you know, for the wreath. So I got that basket. Another thrifted item. This is definitely unique and not everyone's taste, but I was thinking of a few ways that I could use these, and I was like, oh, I could use this for my garden party. But I found these mugs. This is what they look like up close. I found them, they were $1 each, and there's this purple one, super, super sweet, and then there's this pink one that has like roses on it. But I host a garden party in my garden in like July, and I was like, I could use these for my garden party. Like, this is very garden party-esque. So definitely not going to put them out for like decor or anything, but it was hard for me to pass them up because they were $1 and I could use them when I'm hosting like girls or stuff and have like cute little parties or tea parties or whatever. The next thing that I found was this basket. This was $4, so definitely a little bit on the pricey side, especially because it has like a little bit of wear and tear right here, but overall it's in really good shape. This would be cute to cover like a plant, or if you had a fake plant on a shelf, this would be cute, or on my porch for spring flowers. So there's a lot of uses that could be made out of this, but I loved it. I picked it up and I was like, it's in good shape overall, and you can never have too many baskets, in my opinion. I'm gonna show you what I got from Walmart. I'm really, really excited. This is so cute. It's this white scalloped pot for plants and flowers. They also had this one in blue, but it was a little bit of a too dark blue for me, and white neutrals are always good. And so I got this one for some flowers that I bought. And then for my basket wreath that I'm gonna hang on my door, I got some florals from Walmart. This is what they look like up close. Really, really pretty. I am such a big fan of the lavender, and these roses, this is what they look like up close. These roses I found, I think they were like $2 or $3 each, but these look so real. Like, they don't look fake, and that's why I liked them. These were really, really pretty. They're from Walmart. I love the pink. I think it's really pretty, and then along with the lavender just really sets it off. So the vision is to have the lavender and then these kind of just inserted in there, and so I don't really have it fixed up yet, but I thought this was a good pair. So if you're looking for some flower inspo, these are at Walmart, and they were very affordable. So I'm excited to do that little DIY with you guys. One of my favorite things that I got today, Walmart had some of their flowers out, and I got these Gerber daisy, Gerberia or Gerber, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got these daisies from Walmart today. They were $8.97. They're not perennials, but I thought this will give some life to our house, and as long as they stay alive, I can transplant them into our flower boxes that we put up on our porch. But These are just so pretty. I love them. I'm so excited to repot them and plant them. But the idea is to put these in this. Isn't it so cute? I love it. Also, if you were wondering how much this planter one was, it was $4.98. I really think that is reasonably priced compared to other places, and just the scallops we love. Some other things that I got were these pretty purple perennials. I'm gonna also put these in my window, and then I'm gonna plant them in the ground because they're gonna come back. And so I'm gonna put them in my windowsill for now, and then when it gets warm enough outside, I will transplant them outside. But overall, it was a very successful day and trip. We got our baskets, some DIY stuff, some new home decor. I'm very, very happy. This is your reminder to, if you've got a Pinterest board full of things, to always go to your local thrift store first, because I almost bought a different shelf for this and it was going to be way more expensive, and I only spent $4. So I'm literally so giddy about this. This is so fun. You never know what you're going to find at the thrift store, and I think that's what's so fun about it, is you go with the intent of like, let's see what I find today, and like you don't really know if you're gonna get anything or not, which some people don't really like and think is a waste of time, but I truly think it's so fun, and it's just fun to like look for treasures. But that is all of my haul today. I think I'm going to go ahead and make the DIY basket. So we are going to do that together and transplant the flowers and kind of just spend some time outside and enjoying this beautiful weather together.